Hi there, my name is Jerry and I work as a sales representative for Yongming Machinery. Welcome to our video about Grain Grade Cleaner. These are excellent machines that can help you clean and sort grains with high efficiency and accuracy. Let me tell you how they work. Grain Grade Cleaner uses powerful vibration motors from well-known brands to make the equipment run smoothly and reliably. It has a high classification efficiency, a compact structure, a low failure rate, a stable operation, and a low maintenance cost. It also has elastic balls on the screen body that can clean the screen automatically during the screening process. In addition, you can choose the material of the screen body according to your needs. We offer food-grade stainless steel material for higher food safety requirements. Grain Grade Cleaner is not only good for grain grading, but also for impurities removal for various agricultural and commercial crops such as kernels, nuts, beans, sunflower seeds, and different kinds of seeds. They can effectively remove larger and smaller impurities and soil that are mixed with the crops. You can install a vibration grading screen after the color sorter for final quality control or before the sheller for basic grading and impurities removing. The vibration grading screen process is an essential step in ensuring that materials have higher commercial value. This equipment has a material flow process that I will now introduce. The vibration motor and screen plate work together to make the material move forward on the screen surface from the tail of the screen body. The small sand and soil go out from the relevant outlet. The material goes through 3 screens with different apertures and gets divided into 3 levels: large, medium, and small. This way, the material is classified and cleaned well. That's a brief introduction to Grain Grade Cleaner. If you want to know more about their parameters and details, please contact us. We will give you professional advice and explanations. Thank you for watching and see you next time.